In this video, I will show you how to verify phone number in Roblox. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are, as you can see on Roblox. So the first thing you're going to want to do is come across to roblox.com and log in to your account. Now once you've done that, you want to come up to the top right hand corner, click onto this gear icon to open up this menu, and then come down and click onto settings. From here, what you want to do is make sure you're on the account info section. So if you come to this menu on the left hand side, you want to click onto account info, and to verify your phone number, you first of all need to add your phone number. So you can see the option here for phone number. So what you want to do is come to the right hand side and click here where it says add phone. Now what's going to happen is they're going to send a verification code, so they're going to text this to your mobile number. What you want to do is select your area code location from the left hand side and then enter your phone number into the box here. So of course I've blurred mine out for security reasons, but once you've done that, you just want to come down and click on to continue. What's going to happen is the code is going to be sent to your phone number. So what you want to do is enter that code into the box here. And once you've done that, just come down and click on to continue at the bottom. As you can see, we've now got a confirmation saying your phone number is verified. So once you actually add your phone number and you enter that code, it does automatically verify your phone number. Now there is an additional option to let friends find you. So it says here, do you want to be recommended to Roblox users who have your phone number? You can select yes or no from here. So I'm going to select no. And once you've done that, just come down and click done at the bottom. So as you can see, our phone number has now been added and we've got a screen with a tick saying verified, which means we've now verified our phone number. So that is how to verify phone number in Roblox. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.